Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change SoundCloud username. What you need to do, you need to go to the site SoundCloud. I am right now in the home page, and then you see here your nickname, and then here there is a little arrow. I click here and then click profile. After that you click edit, and here is the information you can change. Display name, first name, last name, city, country, and if you want to add more information here. For example, if I wanted to change the display name, John, for example, if I want to add more information here, hello. Okay, now I am satisfied with the information. Then I click Save Changes. Now it's already changed. Can you see here? John, the name. I hope this video is useful. If the video is useful, please click like. And if you are not subscriber in the channel, please subscribe in the channel. And if you have any question or comment or idea or suggestions, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.